Yeah, it was a pretty routine, common job for us to get. It's a customer that had reached out. She had a house that was built in the 80s in the South Shore, Massachusetts, in Weymouth, and they had a crack in the foundation. It had been kind of leaking and getting her some problems over the years, and she kind of just finally had enough of it. It was getting worse and worse because it was just left unresolved for the time that she owned the house, and it became less and less rain every time it rained for water to come through. And she said, I've had enough. Let me call somebody to fix it. We evaluated the problem, and we're able to kind of give her some ideas on how we'd want to repair it. It was a regular foundation crack in the concrete foundation, nothing overly concerning in terms of structural, but obviously they were getting water in. And then, so went in there. Joe, my technician, did a great job. He went in, evaluated the needs, did an injection process where he drilled into the foundation, hooked up some mechanical ports, injected a closed cell resin into the foundation, which basically glues the foundation back together, waterproofs it from the inside out, without any sort of need to dig out. And at the time, the woman was a little bit concerned that we didn't dig out the foundation. She had talked to a bunch of different people, and everyone was saying, oh, you got to dig it out, you got to put drains in, you got to put some tar on the outside. And we assured her that this is not how we need to do this. This is a very simple repair, something we've done tens of thousands of times over the last 30 years, and something that we can do entirely from the inside out. And that it's not a Band-Aid repair. It's a full, thorough repair that actually resolves the foundation issue from the inside out. And I told her we do this on dams, we do this on tunnels, we do this on water treatment tanks, where we can never get to the other side, and also the other side always has water in it. And she was a little skeptical, but we gave her a reassurance that no, this is okay. This is something that we do, and also that the work comes with a 10-year warranty against any sort of water coming in. So she was, basically okay with everything at the end of the day. Well, about 3 or 4 days later, I don't know can't remember the exact timing, but a very short period afterwards, we had a flash flood event in the South Shore, Massachusetts area. Weymouth was one of the hardest hit areas. It shut down 95, shut down 93. And we got 5 to 7 inches over a very short period of time. People's basements were flooded out. We had fire departments pumping out people, and her basement was bone dry. And a storm like that, the customer would have seen typically several inches of water coming through in that foundation crack, but she got nothing. And so this is a testament to one, our technicians' hard work at doing the right job, and two, the process that we use. So this is not something that we've just made up on the spot, first day on the job yesterday. We've been doing this for over 30 years, and we've really perfected the process here. And it was a testament to that job on that day, because she was basically afraid to go downstairs to see what was going to happen, and she was shocked to find out that it was not even a drop of water in the basement when everyone else around her is getting pumped out by the fire department. So great work to the technician, and I wanted to thank the homeowner for a great testimonial on the job that we did.